Hey Abby, today I'm going to teach you the all-important task of dunking an Oreo cookie. What you do is you put a little bit of milk inside of the glass, and then you need one cookie. Yeah. And you take the cookie and you dunk it in the milk. And that's how you dunk an Oreo cookie. Yeah.
Can you dunk the Oreo, Peanut?
Can you do it? Can you put the Oreo inside the milk?
Yeah.
Now take it out. Now take it out. Yeah. Yeah. See, the more milk, the better. Yeah, there you go. Now take it out and now put it in your mouth.
Yum.
All that Oreo gooey milk goodness. Yeah. Say yum.
Can you say yummy? Oh,
wanna
now she
drink
wants to
your
drink the
milk?
milk. She should be able to hold on to it.
You
At
want to
least
hold it
somewhat.
yourself? You want to hold it?
Yummy! Yay, Oreos! Say bye-bye!
Say bye-bye.